He broke the law. He broke the law. The law was changed. The law was changed. She held him tightly. She held him tightly. The meeting was held here. The meeting was held here. I want you to do some research. I want you to do some research. The earth is round. The earth is round. I felt very happy. I felt very happy. We felt sympathy for her. We felt sympathy for her. We felt sympathy for her. Either Tom or I must go. Either Tom or I must go. I don't know either of them. I don't know either of them. Do as I say. Do as I say. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Do you have a question? Do you have a question? He will return at 6. He will return at 6. Come home before 6. Come home before 6. Education starts at home. Education starts at home. It's exactly 8:30. It's exactly 8:30. I can do it in half the time. I can do it in half the time. He is known to everyone. He is known to everyone. She is well known as a singer. She is well known as a singer. Show me an example. Show me an example. Show me another bag. Show me another bag. The police arrested the suspect. The police arrested the suspect. Try it once more. Try it once more. You must go at once. You must go at once. I don't mind. I don't mind. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I spent the whole day cleaning. I spent the whole day cleaning. Be careful crossing that main road. Be careful crossing that main road. Our main problem is a lack of cash. Our main problem is a lack of cash. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. It is clear that he is guilty. It is clear that he is guilty. She always speaks in a loud voice. She always speaks in a loud voice. He is a friendly person. He is a friendly person. He lives above us. He lives above us. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. I saw her home. I saw her home. I saw him running. I saw him running. May I have your name? May I have your name? Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. Do you keep a diary? Do you keep a diary? Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Take anything you want. Take anything you want. We arrived at the office on time. We arrived at the office on time. I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the past. Has she ever fallen in love? Has she ever fallen in love? Have you ever seen a wheel? Have you ever seen a wheel? The road is too narrow for cars. The road is too narrow for cars. Eating fish is good for health. Eating fish is good for health. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I have heard nothing. I have heard nothing. This door locks by itself. This door locks by itself. The problem resolved itself. The problem resolved itself. We adopted a child. We adopted a child. His mother was right. His mother was right. Lie on your right side. Lie on your right side. It's across the street. It's across the street. He came several times. He came several times. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Close your book. Close your book. It will be a danger to society. It will be a danger to society. I hit upon a good idea. I hit upon a good idea. It is likely to rain again. It is likely to rain again. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? He is probably sleeping. He is probably sleeping. He began to run. He began to run. He began to learn English. He began to learn English. Everything went black. Everything went black. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.